9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Deriv has just got a competitor called Well Trade, and you can see here I'm on the dashboards, and just going through this broker dashboard. It is just very easy. For example, let me scroll down and you see this is the account balance I have. You can also have real and demo account, and you can have up to 10 accounts. And here at this drop down arrow, you can be able to see all the types of accounts this broker has. For example, it has the micro account, the cent account, which Deriv doesn't have, by the way. You can also have a pro account and synthetic instruments accounts, which we are calling synthetics. Then we also have the raw spread account. Okay, so for me, I have opened a synthetic instruments account, which I'm yet to fund in this video. So you can also see that the other fair advantage against Deriv is that they offer $1 to $10,000, 1 to 10,000, whereas Deriv is 1 to 1,000. So you can see also that is also an advantage. And we shall also see that you can deposit with a minimum of $5, rather $1, whereas Deriv it is $5. Okay, so let's go through the other tab, which is the finance tab, which is here. So under the finance tab, you can make a deposit, withdraw and transfer, for example, from your account here on Well Trade, and you can also transfer to your trading platform like MT5 or MT4, and you can also see the operations history and the safe. So let's go to the next tab, which is the trading. Under the trading, we can also see that it has various trading platforms, for example TradingView, integrated within this very platform, because once I open TradingView, you can easily see that you can take your analysis from here and do everything within TradingView. If I want to maximize this one, I will have to click on here. Alright, so and even change my phone to landscape for a better view. So this is the exact trading view within Well Trade. So coming back, let me get back so to trading. You can have your market analysis in here. Take your time to explore everything. You can have your terminal demo, MT5 and real account. It also has copy trading and MQL signals. This is the MetaTrader signals. You can also access within this Well Trade. It has promotions. For example, they have what we call W Club, Well Coin, promo codes, Astro Card, and Spinner. So this is my first time with this broker. With time, I will be trying more of its features to let you know the potential it can give you as clients. Then it also have what you call partner program. That is, if you want to become a referral or an affiliate of Well Trade, you have to do it from here, and get your link as easy as fast. Actually, it doesn't require you to sign up. Once you have a Well Trade account, it is automatic. You just come here and you get your referral link from here, which I'm actually going to share to you so that you can sign up under my link if you are interested in having Well Trade as the next broker, a competitor to Deriv synthetic indices. Coming back to the menu, you can also have or join the master network. The master network is when an affiliate refers other affiliates. Okay, for example, you want to join the affiliate program of Well Trade, then I can share this link to you to become an affiliate, not specifically a trader. Okay, your referrals become partners too. They attract clients and you earn master commissions. You get. All right, so coming back, you can see they also have a forex calculator, economic calendar, MetaTrader mobile, and the help center is also here. So real quick, how do you verify your accounts? Okay, So you have seen that you have to come here at the top right corner here, and that personal profile. The moment you click there, you come here to verification, because ever since I created the account of recent, I haven't verified because I was waiting to verify this account together with you. So let me look at the verification to see what they require. Good. So you can see email already verified, mobile number not yet verified. So let me see if I can verify it from here. This is my number. Let me click on continue. So let me see the codes and I'll be back. So this is the code 2598 2598. Come back. $25.98. So continue. It is supposed to be $25.98. They're saying it's not $96.23. They are so fast. You have to be $96.23. Okay, phone number verified. Good. So I'm done with that part, and let's go to identity verification, and this is what will enable the withdrawals, right? So let me get my ID and I do it right away. So I have uploaded my ID and here we are. Check and confirm your data and make sure that everything is as spelled on your ID or any document you used, and once you are sure, you can click on confirm to continue. And they are saying verification review, your verification is in progress, please wait a moment. So the document and the profile is okay. Immediately you can see it is approved within seconds. Coming back to here, let me refresh. So you can see email verified, your mobile number verified, personal information completed, identity verification verified. So there is nothing like a proof of residence, just like Deriv. As long as you verify your identity, like a national ID or passport or whatsoever, as we saw, you are good to go. So once I'm done with this, now let me click on deposit, and you see how to make a deposit. I have some funds on my mobile wallet, so no commission. You can see from $2 up to 1,300 USD. That is what you can use for mobile money. You can also use Airtel, you can use cryptocurrency, you can use Binance Pay, cryptocurrency again. Okay, Netera, Skrill, Wallet, etc. So for my case, I have a lot of options here. Let me use MTN mobile money, and you can see this is deposit of this one, and amount I'm going to deposit. Let me say $5. Yeah, then I will go to without bonus. Let me see. I don't have the promo code. Let me hit continue. Check the details and hit confirm. So this is the amount they are going to charge me. So select mobile operator. Then I'm going to put there my number once again, which is 788974700, and yes, let me say pay. So they're saying payment instructions, please monitor your phone, you receive USSD prompt to confirm the payment. So I'm waiting for that to put in my PIN, and I will have to click on I have paid if I put the PIN. So let me wait. Okay, it is this one. Let me enter the PIN real fast. You know, after clicking on send, I can send. You can see you have approved the debit of this much, and the charge was 650 UGX. Then I click on I have paid. Thank you. The operation was successfully completed. can monitor the status, so you can see order, payment system, trading accounts. All right, so if you want, you can deposit more, but that's it. Let me get back to the dashboard and you see if the funds are there. So you can see the funds are already in my accounts. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to connect your WellTrade account to MT5 and start trading right away. Until next time, keep winning.